Have you found any sticky white substances on the screen windows and screen doors at home? Even popular emery window screens can rust. Why is that? It is especially serious in coastal areas or humid places. This question puzzled me for a long time. It was once thought that the salt was formed by excessive crystallization of salt in the air. I scraped some from the screen door and let's take a look at it under the microscope. This doesn't look like salt crystals. They're all crystals of different sizes. Now, when this first came out, it was really sticky, like glue. As time goes by, it begins to turn yellow as the water evaporates. It will eventually turn into powder. After inquiring and checking information from many parties, finally found a plausible explanation. This white sticky substance is aluminum oxide formed after the aluminum alloy is corroded. Our common emery screen window screen with spray material on the surface. In fact, a layer of plastic material is sprayed on the surface of 201 steel wire. This kind of steel is not rust-proof. Most of the products on the market are made of this material. This is rarely the case with 300 for 1316 materials. This white glue usually appears on the side of the aluminum alloy window frame. This is because of the acute difference between stainless steel and aluminum. There is a difference in conductivity. An electrochemical cell effect occurs at the junction of the two materials in the window frame, especially in humid environments. If not dealt with in time, there will be stones on the side of the window. Rust spots will appear on the screen window, just like the screen window in the beginning of the video. Severely corroded, very affecting the appearance. What you see now is what it looks like under the electronic eyepiece. After watching this video, have you also solved the doubts in your mind? If you are shopping for screens, choose 304 or 316 stainless steel window screens whenever possible. After all, you get what you pay for. You need to choose according to your own conditions. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in the micro world, you can follow me. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.